Imagine holding a secret so transformative, it turns your daily life into a cascade of serendipity, opportunities, and miracles. What if you could attract fortune like a magnet, bending the universe to your will? This is the power of Fortune Alchemy, a 7-step journey that places you in the driver's seat of your destiny. Ready to embark on this life-changing adventure? Close your eyes and imagine a life where everything aligns perfectly. Every decision you make, every step you take, leads to extraordinary outcomes. Think of yourself as an artist painting your ideal life. Every brushstroke reflects a dream, a goal, a deep desire. Infuse this vision with emotion, letting excitement and joy radiate from it. Your vision is your blueprint, your North Star. Without it, there's no direction. With it, you're unstoppable. A dream without a plan is just a wish. In this step, you'll break down your vision into achievable pieces. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the grandeur of your dreams, focus on the steps that lead you there. Ask yourself, what can I do today to move closer to my ideal life? Each small victory compounds, creating momentum. By rationalizing possibilities, you transform intangible aspirations into actionable plans. With your vision clear and your steps outlined, it's time to weave your dreams into reality. This isn't about passive hope, it's about actively participating in the cosmic dance. Every action, no matter how small, is a thread connecting you to your goals. Persistence and patience are your greatest allies. Trust that even when challenges arise, the tapestry of your dreams is unfolding perfectly. Deep within you lies a compass that always points true north, your intuition. This step is about listening to that inner voice, the whispers of your soul that guide you when logic falls short. To align with your intuition, create moments of stillness, meditate, journal, take reflective walks. Trust the gut feelings, the sudden sparks of insight, and the inexplicable pulls towards certain paths. These are the universe's way of nudging you toward greatness. Words are powerful. What you declare, you attract. Start each day by affirming your goals aloud. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am a magnet for success. Consistency is key. Repeat these declarations until they're etched into your subconscious. Pair them with vivid visualization, feeling the emotions of already living your dream. This creates an unshakable belief system that magnetizes opportunities to you. Have you ever experienced a perfectly timed event that felt too coincidental? These are synchronicities, signs from the universe affirming you're on the right path. Stay present and aware. Notice the patterns, the chance encounters, and the doors that seem to open effortlessly. Trust these moments and express gratitude for them. The more you acknowledge synchronicity, the more it appears in your life. The final step may seem counterintuitive, but it's crucial. Detach from how your dreams will come to fruition. Focus on the what, not the how. Release the need to control every detail. Trust that the universe knows the best way to deliver your desires. By letting go, you allow miracles to unfold in ways you could never have imagined. You now have the blueprint to transform your life through Fortune Alchemy. But knowledge without action is powerless. Start today. Close your eyes. Envision your dream life in vivid detail and declare your intentions boldly, out loud, and often. The universe is ready to conspire in your favor, but it's waiting for you to take the first step. Don't just dream of fortune. Become the alchemist who creates it. The life you desire is closer than you think. Will you reach for it?